train a-comin', it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. For I stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on, and the train it keeps a-rolling on down to San Antonio. I bet this rich folks eating in a fancy dining car. They'll probably drinking whiskey and smoking big cigars. But I know I had it coming, I know I can be free. But those people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. Sue me. Just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear a whistle blowing, I am my head and cry. Well, if they free me from that prison, if that railroad train was mine, I better move it on a little further down the line, far from Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay. And I'll let the lonesome whistle blow my blues away. And I'll let the lonesome whistle blow my blues away. And I'll let the lonesome whistle blow my blues away.